Alright guys, so as you guys can see by the title of the video or the thumbnail, the car is not sold. It's actually the fenders that are sold. I posted them on Instagram and I don't know if you guys saw them, but yeah, I ended up deciding to put these fenders up for sale just because I ended up ordering a new set of wheels, and I think that the new wheels are going to look better with the OEM fenders. And I'm going away from the trike look that I was going to at the beginning. The TEs are going to be going on this car, which is the 46, but I do have a set of fenders that I picked up from somebody semi-locally, and I'm going to be installing them today. They're not painted, obviously they're not paint matched, so I'm going to have to get that taken care of. But for now, I am kind of weighing out like two different scenarios with those fenders. So before I get them painted, I want to make sure that I decide on what I want to do before I go through the painting process. But we got the sunset behind us. I actually have to take the fenders off because somebody's coming to pick them up tomorrow. So by the time that you guys see this video, the fenders will be sold and the car will be on the factory fenders, which are white, which I think it'll look kind of not too terrible since the wheels are white for the time being. But you know, I think I am going to take the lip off as well, and the lip is for sale. It's damaged, but it is repairable. So if somebody wants to shoot me an offer, you know, I do have the bottom end that is damaged, obviously, but I am not selling the bumper pieces. I do have a set of brand new unpainted pieces that I will throw on with the lip. So if you guys want to purchase that, let me know. If not, then I mean, if you guys are interested in purchasing like a brand new Blackvue lip, I'm considering selling it as well. So I do want to keep the painted pieces just in case I decide to throw the lip on again. But it all kind of depends on how the lip looks with the new wheels. Then I'll decide if I want to keep the same design. If not, then I'll go with a different style of lip. So I ended up ordering new wheels, which I'm waiting on those to get made. It's going to be probably 4 to 8 weeks. Normally, at least I'm thinking 8 weeks. And then once I get those, then we'll see how the car looks. So I'm not going to tell you guys. Some people know, but if you guys follow me, then you're just kind of going to have to wait to see the wheels once I finally get them. So I'm going to go ahead and get to work, take the fenders off, and then I'll show you guys how the car looks like with the factory fenders. All right, guys, so I didn't get to film last night because it actually ended up getting dark on me, but here we have the fenders. The fitment's a lot better. I still have to play around with the adjustments, but obviously you can tell here, this one, the gap is a lot better than what it was before. The fenders were wrapped in a satin black, well, satin gray color, which I'm going to be taking off anyways. So actually doesn't, I mean, yeah, it looks kind of bad because of the mismatched fender, but at the same time, the wheel's white, the fender's white, and this is only going to be for a short time that I'm going to be rocking the white fenders until I decide what I want to do. But more than likely, I think I'm not gonna do any custom work to the fenders. I did consider doing like a little arch here to make it a little bit wider, but then just to kind of create a little bit of clearance, a little bit of difference than the original M4. I mean, it's still up in the air. I'm looking at some fender arches that are aluminum, so they can be cut, well, welded into this fender and then molded to get kind of more of a round shape. But then it would have to be molded onto this as well. So I think we might have to skip out on the Blackvue lip, but they could always cut it here and then just kind of mold it into one piece. So that's the option that I'm looking at, that I was considering of doing. I don't know if I want to go that route just because of time purposes, but depending on how long it would take to get the arches and the work done, I'm gonna get some quotes. But other than that, I don't mind running the factory fender because I do like the overall look of it as well. Yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys prefer the stock fenders, or do you guys prefer the fenders that I had before? Anyways, drop a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.